Hey everybody, Chase again, and I'm here this time with my attempt at a Stewie Griffin impression. It's going to be kind of a regular Stewie, and one of my favorite episodes of Family Guy is when Stewie gets, when Brian gives him cough syrup, and he starts getting addicted to it and starts drinking it and gets drunk on it. Anyway, here it goes. Regular Stewie. Brian! Brian! And that's all I can really say for that. Here it goes. The drunk Stewie on cough syrup. Brian, well, there's a series of poops in my bath, and I need you to fish them out with this net. Mr. Duckford would like some quackers. Brian, you're interfering with my professional business. Where's the radio? Hey, Brian. Would you like, hey, you know what would be really neat? If we had a kebab. It goes in this order. Meat, vegetable, vegetable, meat. Mr. Duckford. You're my butler. Hey, Brian, wouldn't it be great if this tub was filled with yogurt? Yogurt? Say yogurt like that one more time and I'll drown you. You're not going to do nothing. Yogurt. Brian, you know a good place to dial up yogurt? Yogurt. See, Brian, I told you. You like yogurt? Would you like to grab some yogurt? All right, everybody. That was a poor first attempt at Stewie Griffin, but anyway. Leave your thoughts down below and let me know what you think. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks again.